Hello everyone, welcome to the last part of the Mandarin Collar Jumpsuit making process. As you can see, we have now the top of the jumpsuit as well as the bottom. As you can see, I have sewn them together. At the waist, we will have to insert some elastic. So here, using my measuring tape, I measure the right amounts of elastic that I need. Then I have left a little hole when I created the belt of the jumpsuit. Using a bodkin, I am inserting the elastic all the way. The belt is now ready. I am going to flip over the jumpsuit to show you the final result. Now it's time to sew all the 9 buttons. I pin in place the bodice so that the button loops won't move around. Using an erasable pen, I mark where every button needs to be sewn. This is done by hand using a needle and a black thread. There are no revolutionary process behind it. It's one of my favorite moments. It's very meditative and I usually listen a podcast while I'm doing it. In the same way, I'm going to sew a snap button at the collar of the bodice. Last but not least, I will be hemming the short. Using an erasable pen, I will mark where I want my fabric to be folded. I will fold a first time over 1 centimeter, pin in place and iron. Then I will fold a second time over 2 centimeter, ironing and pinning in place once again. Next step will be sewing the hem. Et voila, this is done. The hem has been sewn. It's very nice and crisp. And the final result is very neat. This is the inside of the jumpsuit. I wanted to show you how the finish looks like. I hope you like it as much as I do. It's very stunning. I made one for myself and it has been lasted for absolutely forever. I wear it, wash it, move a lot, run, sweat, and my jumpsuit is still there and stunning. Now you see the front with the facing. I hope you got the idea about that. And this is the outside front with a pocket. This fabric is absolutely stunning. It's laser printed as well as Ecotex certified, meaning there are no harmful chemicals for the body and the environment. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any question. To make a jumpsuit, it takes me about 20 hours, which explains the price together with the material. I use only high-end material to offer you the best, and I absolutely want my clothes to be original and last a lifetime.